Hey everyone, this is Up Trading here. In today's video, we would like to show you the RSI indicator. For the past couple weeks, we have some people asking us about this indicator, and this is the reason why we decided to make this video. We thank you for your questions, and we encourage you to if you have any questions or there is something that's not clear for you, just to send us an email or just comment on the video. So we're going to talk about the RSI indicator, but first I would like to add it to our chart. Like you can see, when we add the indicator, it pops up here on the bottom. By the way, guys, in this video, we are just gonna cover some basics for the RSI. So we're gonna divide this video on three parts, I believe. So we're gonna cover how, to set your indicator, where is it located, what settings do you use, why do we use, and what actually is the RSI indicator and how it's calculated. Um, we just want to cover everything for this indicator because this is probably one of the most used indicators from traders, and not only for forex but also a lot of people use it for when they trade indices, when they trade gold, basically everything, stocks as well. So this is why we're gonna cover this. But let's look at the indicator again. We already have it on our chart, and as you can see, it's basically a simple line that it goes ups and downs, and then over there is lines that it says 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Those are the bands that we're gonna cover. What does that mean? Also, the standard settings for RSI indicator is 14. We're gonna explain what 14 means, and what are the good settings for you to use. But first of all, let's look at the inputs. So as I said, the standard settings for the RSI indicator is 40. What does that mean? This is basically the speed that it's gonna show you the indication on your chart. So the higher the number, the slower your indicator will be. And what that means is, like for example, here when I set it on a 7, that means that your indicator is going to be more sensitive. So this is better to use if you are a scalper or a short-term trader. So that's why we recommend you, when you start as a new trader, to trade with higher number 14. This is the one that, as I said, it's is the default one. So just use this one as a beginning, and then you can change to a lower number. Also, we have the upper band, the middle band, and lower band. Those are the numbers we talk about there in your chart section on the right hand side. So this is where we see the fields. I'm just get I'm gonna make the indicator a little thicker, a little bigger. This is how we usually put it on our chart. But basically those numbers means when we have our indicator above 70, that means that the currency pair that we are currently looking on, euro USA dollar, it's in an overbought position. So what does that tells us is that maybe it will be a good opportunity here to start looking for a sell position. So the price of this current instrument is way too high, so most of the traders are gonna be looking to sell, so go short there. And of course, vice versa. On the other hand, if we have our indicator lower than 30, that means that we are in an oversold situation. So most of the traders are gonna be looking to buy. This is gonna be a buy opportunities there. But guys, that doesn't mean that every time the line goes above 70 or goes under 30, that means that we're gonna buy and sell. This is just something that is gonna give us a hint where we should be looking, where the price is going. That doesn't mean that we're just gonna be clicking every time the price goes above 70 we're gonna sell, and every time it goes under 30 we're gonna buy, that does not mean that. So this is basically something that it gives us um, direction of the trend. And also the standard bands are 70 and 30. Some traders that are more conservative, they like to set it on 80 and 20. That's not wrong as well. But as the beginning, and if you're just starting and you haven't used this indicator, we highly suggest you start with the default settings, and then from there on, when you get more familiar with, by the way, as I said, we're gonna cover more about the indicator, but I would like to show you here. This is the formula that stands behind the indicator. Um, it might sound confusing for you, but I'll explain it extremely easy and simple. Basically, we have the winning position and the losing position divided by 14. This is the number that stands behind the RSI. So when we have RSI with the settings of 14, that means that we're gonna divide this by 14, the winning position, the losing position, and this is as simple as I can explain it. Um, if you would like to learn more about the indicator, you can always go to Investopedia and read about it. But to be honest, we're just telling you this just so you know what stands for this indicator. But it doesn't really gonna help you much with the actual trading. For you, the most important thing is to know what settings that are good to use, and also how to read the indicator. But I don't want to continue in this video because it's gonna get way too long. We're gonna continue in the next part, and over there we're gonna start talking more about strategies and why is good to use this indicator, and what indication is giving you, and what opportunity you can find with the RSI indicator. But that was everything for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.